Here's a classic bothy ballad, the Muckin at Geordies Byre. At the relical craft upon the hill, around the nuke face brought his mouth, trying all his life a time to kill of Geordie McIntyre. Now he had a wife who swears himsel, and a daughter as black will nick himsel. There was some fun at a wad of smell to Muckin at Geordie's Byre, for a grape was tint, the besom was din, the bar a win the row its lean. Sick in a sauce there never was seen to Muckin at Geordie's Byre. Now the daughter had to stray and neep, the all wife started to swipe the greep. Fin Geordie fell sklight in a rotten neep at the Muckin at Geordie's Byre. Ben the greep come Geordie soon, she stood up a hand the coo. The coo kick-a-tootin', off at a stew at the Muckin at Geordie's Byre. For a grape was tint, the besom was din, the bar a win the row its lean. Sick in a sauce there never was seen to Muckin at Geordie's Byre. Now the auld wife she was booing doon, the Sue got kicked on the croon, shoved its head up her wifey's goon, and bent through Geordie's Byre. The daughter come through the barn door, seeing her mither let out a roar. To the middle she ran fell ower aboard at the Muckin at Geordie's Byre. For a grape was tint, the besom was din, the bar a win the row its lean. Sick in a sauce there never was seen to Muckin at Geordie's Byre. Now the boar he lopped the midden dyke, and o'er the rigs with Geordie's take. The beath ran antler Bumby's bike at the Muckin at Geordie's Byre. The cocks and hens began to craffen, Betty astride the Sue they saw, the posties sheltered, run awa for the Muckin at Geordie's Byre. For a grape was tint, the besom was din, the bar a win the row its lean. And Sue and all Betty had never been seen since the Muckin at Geordie's Byre. Now 100 years they're past and mair, for Sprotties was the hell's new bear. Crafts awa, so you'll see nae mair o' the Muckin at Geordie's Byre. His folks are dead and awa lang syne, so in case his memory should tyne, just ye facilis tune to keep ye in mind the Muckin at Geordie's Byre. For a grape was tint, the besom was din, the bar a win the row its lean. And there's nae muckle winner, the grape was nae clean, at the Muckin at Geordie's Byre.